Dr. Dan with Heart Life News. The government to ban cold medicines? That's the question. Well, what I'm about to tell you, if it happened to a vitamin product, they certainly would want to do that. What happened was there were over 136 million bottles of Tylenol cold symptom remedy that were removed from the market. There was a plan in Pennsylvania that produced products, not only the children's Tylenol, but Motrin, Zyrtex, and other products. They found that the products were actually contaminated, and they also had more than the active ingredient on the label. This led to the recall, one of the largest in U.S. history. Now, if a vitamin company had that problem, there would be calls for more regulation, they'd want to pass legislation, they'd want to make vitamins prescription, and we think now that this looks like the pot calling the kettle black. They don't have such a clean slate as they'd like to say. But you'd hear about this on the news every single night if it was a vitamin product, but it was mentioned once and casually just brushed aside. And this is what millions of people rely on. Vitamins are much more safer and effective than you would believe. In fact, the Heart Life Plus formula is regularly assayed for purity and content. We don't put anything in that product unless we get a certification from a laboratory that says that this is the exact content and purity in the product. So this sheds light on the laxness, the ineffectiveness of the federal regulators to control or police their own. Obviously, they're in bed with the drug companies to some extent, and media is just complacent and all. You never hear about this over and again, what happened, what's going on with the plant, are there any other plants involved. But boy, if it was vitamins, it would just be right on the top of the list of the news. So let the buyer beware. And I'm not so sure about over-the-counter medications anymore after this recent recall. Have a great day.